In this video, you are going to be learning how to make money online with CPA marketing, and I am going to be showing you a simple, effective strategy that you can use to start making money with CPA marketing from today. A 10-year-old can use this strategy and still make money. All you need to do is follow what I'm going to show you step by step, and you can collect the earnings into your PayPal or your Payoneer account. And if you're interested, then stick to the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how. Alright, so what you want to do now, I'm going to take you to Imgur. As you can see here, this is a post that I made on Imgur. As you can see right on your screen, it got over 5,000 views in less than 12 hours. Okay, and you can see here it has over 200 comments. So I'm going to show you how to create this type of post and get this type of engagement. And now you may be asking, how do you make money with this? So what you're going to do, if you go back to your Cpagrip account, there is this Bitcoin offer that you can use. I'm just going to be using this as an example. Obviously, you can use this strategy that I'm going to show you to promote any CPA offer. Okay, as you can see here, this CPA offer converts on email submit, and here is the page of this offer. As you can see right here, if I click on continue, as you can see, I need to put in my email to continue with this offer. So once your visitors input their email in this offer, you get paid $2.42. So let's say you get about 100 people to convert on this offer. That is over $200 easy. And don't worry, I am going to show you how to do everything step by step. And if you don't want to use CPA offers, you can also go to the monetization tab. You can use content locker if you want. You can use URL file lockers if you want. So it's literally up to you, whatever you want to do with this method. So now let's jump into the method. Okay, so as you can see right here, this post says guess his age in the picture. As you can see, this is a celebrity right here, Travis Baker. So people are going to start leaving their comments. Some people may leave ridiculous comments, but you want to look past that because that's not why you are here. So basically, once people start commenting on this post, you are going to grab your CPA link or your CPA offer link or your content locker link, whatever link you want to use, you can just input it here. The reason why I used that USA offer for this Bitcoin is because if you go to SimilarWeb, so if you come to similarweb.com, you can see most of the traffic is from the United States. So the chances of having someone from United States click on that CPA offer is very, very high. And as you can see here, I got over 5,000 views on this post alone. So it's very realistic for 100 of them to click on that link. Usually more of them will click on that link because, of course, who doesn't want a free Bitcoin gift card? With that out of the way, so what we are going to do now, you want to look for someone who is very popular. Okay, someone who is very popular. So you can use a musician, you can use a footballer, you can use actors, just basically any popular figure. All right, for the purpose of this video, I am going to be taking Elon Musk as an example. So if you type in Elon Musk, so you want to come to images, and also you can go to Instagram or you can go on Facebook, wherever you can get the picture of the celebrity. So this is going to make a very good picture. As you can see here, it looks kind of old in this picture. So we are going to be using this picture as an example. So all we're going to do, basically, we are going to download this image. So let's save this image. Let's save it right here. So I've saved the image. You are going to go to Imgur, and then you want to create a new post. So if you don't have an Imgur account already, all you need to do is go to imgur.com. You'll see a sign up button somewhere around the screen. Just do that and you will have Imgur account. So you want to click on new post, and then you want to drop the image in here. So click on choose image. So this is the image right here. So we paste in the image right there. So as you can see, this is the Elon Musk image. So the next thing you want to do is you want to give it a title. You want to write something like guess his age in this picture, and then you want to put in Elon Musk. You can just leave it like that. And then you want to come to this, add a description. and you can write something like, can anyone guess in this photo? Okay, so and now you may be wondering why should you do this? Because you are going to see a lot of people who are going to start guessing his age. And don't worry, you might see some spiteful comments, so just look past that because it doesn't matter. All right, so once you've written that, then you want to add tags. You want to write in, let's say, Elon Musk. There's a tag for Elon Musk, you can see. So you add Elon Musk, and then you want to add celebrity. Okay, you want to add as many tags as you can. Okay, you want to add in Bitcoin since it talks about it a lot. So you want to add in, okay, let's add in that celebrity back. I mistakenly deleted it. You want to add as many tags as you can. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to click post to community, and then you want to click on post publicly. And before you know it, as you can see here, we've not added any link in this post. You can see a lot of people would start liking your post. A lot of people will start leaving comment guessing the age. So if you go back to your Cpagrip, like I said, you can grab any CPA. You can use a content locker, so you can get creative around this. You can use a content locker. If you want them to complete your content locker, you want to leave the link in the comment, not on the post itself. Okay, you want to leave the link in the comment, so whoever comes into the comment, they are going to see your post and they are also going to see the comment as well. So you can do literally this. If you don't want to use CPA content locker, you can use CPA offers. As you can see here, there are various countries here that you can experiment with. You can see you can basically choose any of these offers and you can promote them on Imgur. All right, as you can see, just making this video, as you can see right here, 3 people have already dropped comments on this post while I am just making this video. As you can see here, we have 3 comments, and like I said, you're going to see a lot of people who are going to give silly comments, but it doesn't matter. Okay, this is how I did it and I make money with Imgur. Some people are still going to want to get this Bitcoin for free. So basically all you're going to do is you want to make a landing page on, maybe let's say, Breezy. I've showed a lot of videos on how to make landing page on this website. You can just come onto this website and make a landing page for absolutely free. So once you've made your landing page, all you basically need to do is grab the link to the landing page. As you can see here, I've made a lot of landing pages that I've showed you guys on this channel. You want to create an account with them, obviously, if you don't have one. And then let's click on create new project. You want to go with this website and landing page. So once you click on project, as you can see, it's loading up. Then you want to click on start building. You want to click on this button right here. You can actually choose any of these templates to start with, or you can just click on this, create your own. So basically, let's look for a template to work with. Okay, let's use this one. All right, so now what we are going to do, we want to download this image, the image of this background. So you want to click on this button right here, and then you want to over to this background, and then you want to delete this, you want to X this, and then you want to double tap on this, and you want to choose the landing page image you downloaded. So this image is not that good. So what we are going to do now is we can just go on Google and look for Bitcoin background image. Okay, because we want to make the landing page look as good as possible. So let's just look for a good image to use. All right, so I was able to find another image to use. So I'm going to import the image now. So as you can see, this is the new image that I found. So the next thing you want to do, to go back to the offer, it says get $1,000 Bitcoin gift card. So basically it's what we are going to be typing right here. As you can see here, the color looks weird, so let's change this to maybe a white. So you want to highlight that, and you want to come to these colors, and then you want to change it. Let's just click on this white so it stands out on this page. You want to click on these colors. So once you click on this color, you come to overlay, and then you can drag this. I think this is good. Okay, we still have our Bitcoin in the background, so we can just basically delete this. We don't need this text. We can delete this button, change this one to, you can leave it as learn more, or you can change it to click here. All right, so you want to highlight this. Okay, you want to go back to your Cpagrip account and copy and paste in your content local link in here. So once you're done with that, you want to click on this save draft, and then you want to click on publish page. So once you're done with that, then you want to go back here and click on this more, and then you want to go back to dashboard. As you can see, this is the page here. So let me try to open this page. As you can see here, this is the Bitcoin page we just made. All right, but we don't want to use Melon and this number, it doesn't look good. So basically what we can do is click on it. So once you click on it, and also if you have a domain, you can redirect this landing page to a domain if you have one. But if you don't have, you can just choose a subdomain here and you can name it to BTC free, something like this, and click on submit. So now if we click on this button again, boom, as you can see here, we just change it to btcfree.breezy.site. So if they come here and click on this click here, as you can see, it redirects them to this offer. So once they input their email, boom, you get paid. It's that simple. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. So if you find any value, of course, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.